Tell me what you see in me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl here, Mom and K, as always, and welcome back to another exciting video. If this is your first time here or you're just in this beautiful place for the very first time, you're most welcome. This is Mom and K, and here we talk lots and lots of goodness. Please do it by smashing that subscribe button. Don't make it your last. Also turn on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload any video. And to you, my return subscribers, guys, thank you so much. Thanks for the love and the support. This girl is grateful. So guys, I'll be making two soups in this video. I'll be making the egusi soup, also known as melon, and I'll be making okra and ogbono. Guys, without further ado, come let's cook together. Yeah. So guys, after washing our meat and our stock fish, we'll just go about seasoning it. And here I'm using no bouillon cube with salt and some diced onion, like very little. So yeah, that is what I'll be using to season our meat. So yeah, I'll be leaving it to like 5 minutes to steam. So guys, this is after 5 minutes, so we'll be adding some water, to cook properly. Just add some water, guys. So it will not be hard. It can cook properly. So yeah, our meat is ready. We'll be adding some oil. And then we'll be adding our egusi. As you can see, I mixed it with warm water. Covering this for like, let's say, 2 minutes. Yeah, for some extra spice. So guys, we'll be stirring this. Oh my god, I'm not really a fan of egusi, but yeah, this smells so amazing. It smells so amazing. So yeah, I'll be covering this again for 2 minutes. So guys, this is after 2 minutes. This is the pot known as pizza, and this is ugu known as pumpkin. So yeah, we'll be adding them to the pot. But first off, we'll start by adding this uziza because it tends to be so too much. One good thing about this leaf is that it has this amazing flavor, this scent. Yeah, it's very good for soups. So yeah, we go in by adding our pumpkin leaves, also known as ugu, guys. So yeah, stir. Guys, like this smells so amazing. Can you see that color? This is so good. So yeah, I'll be leaving it for, let's say, 1 minute. Yeah, before we bring it down, and then we'll start making the other soup. So yeah, guys, and voila, we're bringing it down at this point, guys. So yeah. So yeah, I'll be adding our pepper mix. And then we'll be adding some salt and onion cubes also. And then we'll cover for some minutes. So guys, I added the ogbono off camera. My camera couldn't capture that moment. Yeah, so I added our ogbono. So we'll cover for 2 minutes. So yeah, we'll be adding our okra. So yeah, we'll cover for 5 minutes. Yeah, guys, this is after 5 minutes. And then we'll be adding our leaves. This is the hot leaf, also known as uziza, and this is our pumpkin, known as ugu. So we'll be adding this first. So just stir. So we'll be leaving this for 1 minute. So guys, we'll be adding our pumpkin leaf, also known as ugu. Adding it. Then we stir. Covering this for 1 minute. So guys, this is after 1 minute and our soup is ready. Our soup is just so ready. If you've watched up to this extent, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, guys, please smash that subscribe button. Like, it's so yummy. Guys, please smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever we post any video. Yeah, drop your lovely comments and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye. So guys, these are my bowls of soup, like the greasy and ogbono and okra. So yeah.